In this session, we are going to see about fashion recommendation system for e-commerce, which was done by using the Flash framework and ResNet 50 network. I am Prabhakaran and I am the team lead for the project, and other co-members are Akash K, Sanjay D, and Varun P. And hereby I mention the special thanks to my guide, Dr. R. Saravanan, who is the professor of the Computer Science and Engineering department. Let's get into the detailed presentation of the project. Here is the core objective of the project. The main objective is to provide the personalized recommendations to the customers using the advanced deep learning algorithm and image recognition technology. Then it also provides the additional features of the bargaining feature to the customer, in which the customer can bargain on prices to the sellers when the best price is matched. The customer can proceed with their payments. After payment, they are received with the QR code for product confirmation. It will also provide the efficient product management, in which the admins can upload and manage the products in the database through an admin panel. Thereby, it improves the additional improved customer satisfaction. Let us now see about existing system. While collaborative and content-based techniques have been widely used in the fashion recommendation system, it may limit some diversity of recommendation and prevent customers from discovering new type of items. In existing system, it will not allow the customers to interact with the sellers, and there is no bargaining feature in the existing system. Overall, the existing system has some limitation in providing a personalized and interactive shopping experience. Whereas in proposed system, the customer can search the product using images, it will also make the process more efficient. The system allows the customer to interact with the sellers by bargaining on the prices. After proceeding with the payment, they receive the QR code. This QR code can be used to reconfirm the products while delivery. The proposed system is fully managed by the admin panel. It helps the admin to upload and manage the products in the database. It will also create a streamlined workflow for sellers. Here is the proposed system architecture of the project. In this proposed system, it contains two modules, user module and admin module. In user module, the user can request for the images. The user can upload the images. Whereas we used the deep learning technique, in which we used Euclidean algorithm to search for the relevant products. When the relevant product is obtained by the customer, he can proceed with the bargaining procedure. While bargaining, if he meet for the requirement, he can proceed with the payment. After payment, he receives the QR code. This QR code is used to reconfirm the product while delivery. Through this process, he can receive mail when the payment is successful, and also he can receive mail when the order is received. In the admin panel, he get into the authentication process, and then he can upload the manage the products in the cloud account. Here is the hardware requirement for the project. This in which it requires the Intel Core i3 processor and 8 GB RAM and hard disk of about 20 GB, and it's also suggested to use the NVIDIA GPU for the project. There is a software requirement for the project, in which we used Python software, and for libraries we used TensorFlow library, Keras, ResNet 50, and OpenCV. For email provider we used SendGrid, and for database we used IBM DB2. We also used Flash framework for the entire project. And let us see about the experimental outcome for the project. There are two cases for the experimental outcomes, whereas the recommendation to the query images which is present within the dataset. Let us consider an example. If the customer is uploaded for the black T-shirt for women, if this image is present within the dataset, it will recommend the top five recommendations. If the black T-shirt is present within the dataset, it will also recommend that particular black T-shirt as shown in the figure. In such case, if the input image is not matched with the dataset, it will also recommend the most relevant products which is present within the dataset. Such as in this example, if a white T-shirt for men is uploaded by the customer, it recommends if this white T-shirt is not present within the dataset, it will recommend the top five most relevant product which will be suitable for the customer. It can recommend either a white T-shirt, any other white T-shirts, or any other T-shirts for the as per the customer need. Now let us see about the working of the project. This is the user login page, in which user can log into the website. If the user is not registered to the website, he can register by clicking here. He can provide the details. While providing and signing up to the website, he will be received with the email. Let's log into the website. Provide the login credentials. After logging to the website, it is proceed to the home page of the website where we can click the shop now button. It will get into the shopping page in which contains a variety of products. Here we can click here for image search. Here we can upload the image we want to search, like here we upload the Indian jersey here. Let's click the predict button. Okay, it will be proceed with the top 5 most equivalent product that are present in the data set. It also provides the Sahara t-shirt. Let's search another product. Let's search for the shoe, then click the predict button. It is provided with the top 5 most equivalent recommendation for the product. We can search for the manual search. Here we can search for hoodie. For hoodies, it recommends the hoodies present in the product section. Here we can click bargain in order to bargain with the product. 800 rupees is the cost of the product. Here we can proceed with some amount like 500. 500 is not match for the seller's requirement, so we can proceed with the 750 rupees. Okay, it's a deal. We can proceed with the payment. While clicking the payment button, we can proceed with the payment. Here the cost is changed to be the 750 rupees. Here we can give the any invalid. This is the since it is a demo. Here we can proceed with any invalid numbers. Here you can click the pay now button. After making the payment, we are received with a QR code. In real-time purpose, this QR code can be sent with the delivery item. After making the payment, the user is received with the payment confirmation email. Here is the user module, and let's see about the admin module. Here is the admin login. The admin can log in with its own credential. And here we can see the lot of products. These products are depicted in the users shopping panel, and we can also the admin can also manage the users. The admin can also remove the product and also add the product by providing the URLs. He can also responsible for setting the cost for the product. In conclusion, the fashion recommendation system is a crucial aspect for any e-commerce platform. It can improve the customer shopping experience, increase the sales, and enhance the customer satisfaction. The deep learning algorithms can be used to provide the most accurate and personalized product recommendation to the customers, which can lead to the increased engagement and sales. It is important to consider the software and hardware requirements when building the deep learning based recommendation system, as they can be computationally intensive and require significant resources. Overall, the potential benefits of implementing a deep learning based fashion recommendation system make it a worthwhile investment for a e-commerce platform looking to enhance the customer experience and increase sales. In future announcement, we can incorporate the user feedback. By incorporating the user feedback, such as rating and reviews, into the recommendation system, it can continuously improve its recommendation based on user preference. We can also integrate the augmented reality, in which user can virtually try on clothing systems and see how they look before making a purchase. This can enhance the overall customer experience and reduce the likelihood of returns. In real-time recommendation updates, by continuously updating the recommendation in real time based on user behaviors, the system can provide even more personalized and relevant recommendation. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.